Kyoto Library Skills Video, Finding Japanese Papers, CiNii Research. This series of 3 videos explains how to search for and obtain articles published in Japan. This video will explain how to use CiNii Research to find articles. First, let's review some general precautions when using e-journals and databases. First, you must set up a new authentication system for using electronic resources. Be sure to log in every time you access CiNii or any other e-journal or database. For more information on how to do this, please visit the library's information page. Next, we will discuss prohibitions. When using e-journals and databases, contractual agreements prohibit mass downloading, use for purposes other than research or education, as well as unauthorized reproduction or redistribution. Breaching such contracts may lead to the suspension of access to the entire Kyoto University. Do not use the browser's prefetch function or literature management tool's download function, as they may result in the unintentional mass downloading. Now, let's try using CiNii Research in practice. CiNii Research is a database that allows you to look up research results in any field in Japan. Here, we will focus our explanation on how to look up bibliographic information on articles and papers published in Japan. Bibliographic information is the name of the author or authors, title of the article, which journal, year of publication, volume number, and page number of the article. Some papers also include an abstract, that is, a summary of the paper, a link to the full text, and citation information. The bibliographic information and abstract can help you decide whether to read the full text. Let's start by searching for papers in CiNii by title. To access CiNii, follow the link from the library's list of databases. Once you access CiNii Research, authenticate yourself using the new authentication system. In this case, we will be looking for papers, so select the Articles tab. In this case, we will search for the article Molecular Genetic Studies on the Immune System. Enter the title of the article and click the search button to find the corresponding article. You can also view the full abstract by clicking on the title of the article. Decide if you should read the full text. Next, let's search for papers by keyword. Searching using common words as keywords may result in too many hits or irrelevant papers. Searching for imakimono, for example, returns nearly 500 papers. In such cases, change broad keywords to narrow keywords and search for them. For example, changing the general term imakimono to the proper noun yomai no soshi allows us to narrow down the results. You can think of it as narrowing down keywords from top-level terms to lower-level keywords. Now, what about when you search for 2 or more keywords or a combination of keywords? There are several ways to multiply keywords. The most commonly used search operator is the AND search. It is used to narrow down the search results. Besides this, there are OR searches for broad searches and NOT searches to exclude noise. First, here's an example of an AND search. You can perform an AND search by separating 2 keywords with a space. A search for CiNii and communication yields only about 10 hits. When too few search results are obtained, we risk missing important literature. In such cases, try using OR search. Here, you can broaden your search by adding CiNii or Rui. Next is the not search. When you want to find out about Indian movies, a search in Japanese for India and movies will also return Indonesian movies. We can therefore add India, not Indonesia, to exclude unwanted search results. Note that when using a not search, be careful to not reverse the order of the keywords. This section summarizes keyword searches. If you are unable to find a good paper, try using different keywords. If there are too many search results, narrow down the keywords. If there are too few search results, try expanding your keywords. Be conscious of whether your keywords are broad or narrow terms. Let's use AND search and OR search effectively. There are other tools for finding articles besides CiNii. Try different databases from the library's database list. Finally, the number of citations can be used as a guide to finding high-profile papers. The number of citations is the number of papers in this database citing that article. The higher the number of citations, the more attention the paper is considered to have received, so it might be worth reading. However, if there is too little citation information, it cannot be used as a reference. You should also read the paper yourself to determine if the content of the paper is good. CiNii allows you to sort by number of citations. Give it a go. We have introduced how to search for articles using CiNii research. We encourage you to be creative and search in a variety of ways to ensure you don't miss anything.